Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how to turn off do not disturb mode or how to turn on do not disturb mode. So in this video I'm gonna show you both how you can turn off as well as turn on. So right now the do not disturb mode is actually turned on my iPhone. So over here you can see this particular icon like this over here on the time which says the do not disturb mode is turned on. So if you wanted to turn it off, all you have to do is just go over here, scroll down on the control panel. Now you can see the do not disturb mode is actually on. So you have to tap on this one so that the do not disturb mode is completely turned off. So that's all it's all about it. And if you wanted to enable it, like for the first time you wanted to enable it, all you have to do is just go over here in the control center. And what you need to do is just over here, press on this, that do not disturb mode is on. And also you can do like this, if you just press and hold like this, also you'll be getting these kind of options. And we have do not disturb, sleep, personal, work, etc. And also if you tap over here as well, the do not disturb mode will be turned on as well. So the do not disturb mode is how you can turn on your iPhone as well as how you can turn this off. I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye.